Hi there, Steve from EstateMax here. This video is to document the utility room area at the North Potomac sale to see what we have. We have miscellaneous chemicals, a ton, old Electrolux, old cleaning products, old hampers with rotten things in them. We have sneakers, we have baskets, we have a cat scratching post, we have cleaning chemicals. We have paper products. We have cleaning products. We have an old aquarium. We have extra lighting. We have a bottle of Texas Pete hot sauce for no apparent reason. That's pretty funny. Some bird cages, some Christmas. Miscellaneous racks with old food. We have old drinks. We have old storage. We have sawhorses, old bed, old table, old pool table. That's a pool table, believe it or not. Miscellaneous things hanging from the ceiling. We have baskets aplenty hanging from the ceiling. Old candles, old packaging, Ziplocs, linen, miscellaneous paper products, miscellaneous building materials, including 1970s wall paneling. We have decrepit and rotting patio furniture, which is oxidized and cannot be used. We have old lamps, old linens, miscellaneous kitchen, whole bunch of empty, broken pieces of luggage, 5 or 6 trunks, fire logs, old obsolete kitchen stuff that cannot be used. But we'll try to sell it anyway. Old empty boxes, old rugs. Broken television, empty boxes, posters, picture frames, rugs loaded with mouse poop, picture frames, empty luggage, vases, empty luggage. Here's that 1970s paneling. Luggage. Miscellaneous kitchen. Miscellaneous Christmas. Old frames. More old luggage that's empty and rotten. Christmas paper. Old toilet paper filled with mouse poop. Old Christmas. Miscellaneous chemicals, including squid oil. Miscellaneous paper products. So anyway, this is the basement. It's also a storage shed out back in the woods, which is packed to the roof and too dangerous to go into, FYI, just so we're going to be needing some dumpsters. Steve with EstateMax signing off.